guys, my name is Kamari, and in today's video I'm coming to you with an unboxing as well as a show and tell. I'm going to be showing you guys some new jewelry products that I just received recently. So I'm going to be showing you guys 2 charm bracelets as well as several charms that I received from a company called Gona. Now, Gona is a company that is located in Paris. They are a brand that offers a variety of different jewelry options for both men and women. They offer charm bracelets, charms, necklaces, you name it, they have it. All of their items are made out of 925 sterling silver. So like I mentioned, Gona is located in Paris. I'm going to insert their address as well as photos of their boutique. And let's just say if I ever decide to go to Paris, I'm going to visit this store. This store is giving luxury, it's giving expensive, and just from the pictures alone, I know that visiting this store would give me an experience that I've never had before. And let's not forget, they're located in Paris. So when I received my items, they were packaged so lovely. For me, nice packaging is all about the experience, and you definitely get an experience when you receive your item from Gona. And what I love about the packaging is that it's in this beautiful green color. It makes me think of the Emerald City in The Wizard of Oz, which by the way was one of my favorite movies growing up. So inside of my package, I received 2 boxes that both contain 2 different bracelets. I received a silver bracelet and a rose gold bracelet. For the silver bracelet, I got 4 charms for it, and for the rose gold bracelet, I got 9 charms for it. Now, can we get into how beautiful and stunning these bracelets and these charms are? The quality is definitely there. At first glance and at first impressions, I'm loving everything that I'm seeing. For the rose gold and silver pieces, it embodies everything that I love, which is femininity and elegance. And you definitely get that with these pieces. So currently I'm wearing the silver bracelet, and I'm going to show you everything that I have on here. Okay, so this is their snake chain bracelet. Here it just comes with the heart closure. And on the website, it is called the Sterling Silver Universal Snake Chain Bracelet in white gold plated. So this charm right here is called the Lucky Clover charm. As you can see, it has these pretty hearts on them. This one right here is called the Dreamcatcher Dangle charm. And look how this one sparkles, it's so pretty. It has the silver on the outside, and on the inside here you see the rose gold. The next one is a zodiac charm. This one is called the Vintage Cancer charm, and as you can see, it has the Cancer symbol on it. And on the other side here, it just has a picture of a crab. And this one just says July right here on the ribbon. As you can see, it says July right here. How the bracelet looks with all the charms together. So this is the bracelet that I selected. And you guys, look how pretty this is. You cannot tell me that this is not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. So this bracelet is called the Sterling Silver Queen's Crown Bamboo Chain Bracelet with enamel and rose gold plate. And look at this. I love the design of the chain of this bracelet. Look at it. And look at the heart. So this one right here is called the Heart and Feather Dangle charm. This is what she looks like. So pretty. I love the details of these charms. This one looks the same on the front as it does on the back, as you can see. This one is called the Lock Your Love Dangle charm, and this is what it looks like on the front. It comes with 2 charms attached, so this one is the one on the front, and then this one is the back with this pretty flower print. So pretty. This one right here looks like 2 charms in one, but it's really just 1 charm. And this one is called the Key to My Heart charm. So freaking pretty. It has the key right here and then the heart with the lock on it. So cute. Look at the details of the key, you guys. This one right here is called the I Love You charm, and it's so pretty. It has this pretty pink stone on the center here, and then the light pink, I'm assuming, on the outside. So it's like a darker pink in the center and then a light pink on the outside. So pretty. This is what it looks like on the top. Very, very pretty. And the sides as well. And on the back here, it has some words written on it. So the words on the back say, I want to be you. See what you see. Love what you love. This one is like the other charm that I had, the Lucky Clover charm, but it's in rose gold. Now you guys, I'm gonna have to be honest, I think this one is like my favorite charm out of all of them. And of course it's because it's pink and it's a flower and it's just so girly. Now this charm is called the Pink Cherry Charm with enamel in rose gold. I don't even have to say much other than look at it because it's so freaking pretty. Like, what more can you say about it? And this is the last rose gold charm that I'm going to show you guys, and this one is called the Wheat Waves charm. It's so pretty and so detailed. I love how it has the stones along the stem of the wheat and the leaves of the wheat. And so I'm going to put this one on so you guys can see how it looks on me. And also, just so you guys know, on the side here you do see very, very tiny the Gona logo. And then on the other side here, it lets you know that it's also made out of sterling silver. Like, look at the quality and the craftsmanship of these bracelets. I am impressed. And as you guys can see in the unboxing, it comes in this beautiful packaging. Like, look at this. And also on the inside of the packaging, it comes with a polishing cloth, as well as this little pouch here. As well as this little pouch here with their logo on it as well. I'm assuming that you could possibly put like some jewelry in here as well. Maybe like some earrings or some charms. I think this is just so cute. I love the detail that they put into their packaging as well as their jewelry. As you can see from the pieces that I showed you, they're just really high quality. I do have a coupon code. It's Kamari20. If you use this code at checkout, you will get money off. I just want to say that their products are very affordable in comparison to other jewelry brands that sell the same thing. So if you guys are interested in Gona, I'm going to leave their information down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to check out Gona's pieces. They're so amazing. And I want to say thank you to Gona for sponsoring this video. And as always, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.